Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Outreach.io for enterprise sales engagement, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Outreach.io website. Click on the Get Started button located on the homepage. Fill out the sign-up form with your business information. Provide details such as your name, email address, and company size. After submitting the form, check your email for a confirmation link. Click the link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, log in to your new Outreach.io account. Upon logging in, you will be taken to the Setup dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface and the available options. Start by setting up your user profile. Navigate to your account settings in the top right corner. Fill in the necessary details, including your role and contact information. Next, integrate your email account with Outreach.io. Select the Integrations tab from the navigation menu. Choose the email provider you use for your business. Follow the prompts to connect your email account securely. After integration, set up your team members. Go to the Team section in the Settings menu. Invite team members by entering their email addresses. Assign roles and permissions based on their sales functions. Once your team is set up, focus on creating your first sequence. Navigate to the Sequences tab in the main menu. Click on the Create New Sequence button. Design your sequence by adding steps such as emails, calls, and tasks. Personalize each step to cater to your target audience. After creating the sequence, save it and move to the next step. Set up your outreach lists. Go to the Prospects tab and click on Create List. Import contacts from your existing CRM or add them manually. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.